I'm sure khona abanye commitments somewhere, but there are many faces engwajwayele. Yabona bangibona lento letsha. So ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu to wonke umuntu odele into zakhe to come and support us as Sizokthola, because of kunabantu abazitshela ukuthi bazi kangcono yabo, but abazi kahle. Kunabantu abazitshela ukuthi they want to do izinto ezingekho emthethweni, yabona, but as long as sazi ukuthi we are in line nomthetho simnandi, into yethu izoqhubeka ihamba phambili. So ngibonga kakhulu for i-support show, ngibonga kakhulu for ukuthi nishiye into zenu nize la nizohlangabezana nalokushiso kungaka ekusupporteni lento esiyenzayo, because of sisebenza grand kakhulu namajita ama-battalions. Ngirathana ngagcina kudala. What happened?
Surround.
Sizoza ngale ey'nkomeni sizosipana, but into engifuna ukutshela ukuthi sizoqhubeka sisipane. Le nto eyenzekile amaphoyisa amanye awayazi, abantu abaphethe iy'ntambo abayazi, so bathi bazongifonela uma bangidinga. So if there's any appearance engizoyenza police station, I'm gonna put sizoza ngale ey'nkomeni sizosipana, but into engifuna ukutshela ukuthi sizoqhubeka sisipane. Le nto eyenzekile amaphoyisa amanye awayazi, abantu abaphethe iy'ntambo abayazi, so bathi bazongifonela uma bangidinga. So if there's any appearance engizoyenza police station, I'm gonna communicate nama-commanders, nama-leaders, nama-community leaders, so that somebody sizobabonisa ukuthi if yama-drugs sizoyiqeda. Yona sizoyilwa and sizoyiqeda. And angeke kube mnandi. Angeke ngiyazi emsebenzini khona abalimalimino, abanye bayakhwayela, into ezifana nalezo, yabona. But at the end of the day, le nto esiyenzayo inkulu ukudlula thina, because I believe sonke la singabazali. So njengabazali we have to fight for ikusasa labantwana bethu. So asizenzeli thina, yabo, abanye abaholi, understand, but senzela ikusasa labantwana bethu. So angeke ngizomosha isikhathi ngazo 10%. Ngiyabonga ne.
Shasha. Xolani Khumalo from Sizokthola addressed his supporter after he had handed himself over at the Katlehong police station about 2 days ago, you guys, in connection with a Nigerian dealer who had reportedly died allegedly while the Sizokthola crew had busted the dealer with drugs, you guys, and a lot of people on Twitter were standing with Xolani Khumalo and showing him support. They had this to say: Xolani Khumalo has been cleaning our streets for many months and the newspapers wrote nothing about it. Suddenly a drug dealer dies and every newspaper is writing about the story. Who is their boss, Katle Katle? It's like someone is instructing them to cover this story. Hashtag Sizokthola. One wrote, is there a media or political campaign against this man, Xolani Khumalo, the host of Sizokthola, a very popular crime-fighting TV show in South Africa? Many have called him a crime buster and de facto Minister of Police for South Africa, while some have dismissed his attempts to fight crime as xenophobic. hyper-military and TV stunts. Are they going out to get him? Bamusukela. I stand with Xolani Khumalo and Sizokthola. The state has failed to combat drugs and human trafficking, illegal immigration, and crime in general. Xolani is doing the work of three ministers. We stand by him and thank him for his bravery and for his service to our nation. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys, because I will definitely see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.